Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a signature in a PDF using your laptop. First, open your PDF document with a suitable application such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, Google Chrome, or a free online tool. These programs offer straightforward features to add signatures quickly. This process is much more efficient than printing, signing by hand, and then scanning the document back in. To begin, navigate to the Signature tool within your chosen application. You will typically find options to create a new signature. You can type your full name, letting the software convert it into a stylish font. Alternatively, use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature directly onto the screen. A third popular method involves uploading a clear image of your handwritten signature. Ensure the image has a transparent background for the best results. After creating your signature, it will usually appear as an option to insert. Click on your newly created signature to select it. Then, move your mouse cursor over the PDF document to the exact spot where you want to place it, like a signature line. Click there, and the signature will appear. You can easily resize it by dragging the corner handles and reposition it to ensure it fits perfectly within the document's layout. Once your signature is precisely where you want it, remember to save your document. It is often a good practice to save it as a new file, perhaps adding sign to the file name, so you retain the original blank version. Before sending it, always open the newly saved PDF to confirm that your signature is correctly embedded and appears exactly as intended. This simple check ensures your document is ready for its purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.